It's everything. It's everything. What it's meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Mona B here. So today I am back with another hair tutorial. Ayy. Before we get into the video, what I need you guys to do is make sure your notifications are turned on. I will put it here on the screen. Make sure you select all so that you are notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And also make sure you are following me on my Instagram and Twitter. It will be here on the screen. So follow your girl on there because I'll be going live on Instagram and you definitely do not want to miss out on all the fun. Like Mona, we just want to know how to get the look. We ain't trying to hear all that, but I do gotta lay down the specs of the hair and everything for you guys right now. I am rocking Ali Sugar hair. It is an AliExpress company. They reached out to me and I'm like, of course, I definitely want to try out your hair and see if it's popping. And as you guys can see, I'm looking snatched. Like, this ponytail is giving me all types of life. I'm loving it. It's giving me everything I envision. So I am rocking their Malaysian kinky curly hair. It is all in a 14-inch. So they sent me 3 bundles in a 14-inch and a 14-inch closure. That is what I asked for. Now, of course, for this tutorial, I definitely did not use the closure because I did not make a wig. Normally, I always make a wig with hair. So I was like, let me just try something new and let y'all know that y'all can, you know, do a ponytail with your bundles. You don't necessarily have to just make a wig or wear your bundles down. You probably will end up using the closure. Once I'm done wearing this style or whatever, I'll probably end up making a wig. And then I still do have a full bundle that I did not use. So basically I used 1.5 bundles. So this is all I have left over from the second bundle. I just cut it, but yes, this is how the ponytail looks. It's super full. I'm not sure if because it's Malaysian hair, it's a little bit more like textured. The other kinky curly hair that I have been trying has been like a little bit like of a softer, looser texture. Like when you co-wash it or put it on the water or put product in it. But I noticed that this Malaysian hair kept its curl. So I'm assuming Malaysian hair, you know, holds a lot better. The texture is a bit thicker, I'm assuming. I believe this is my first time having Malaysian curly hair. I think it is because the only time I ever really have curly hair, I believe it's like Brazilian curly. So yeah, so I really do like the texture of this hair because I was expecting it to frizz up a lot, which it did not. So I'm really impressed. As far as shedding, I'm not 100% sure how this is going to last over the weeks because I've not worn it that long. But right off the back, when I was using the comb, I only got a few strands of hair out of this comb. So not much shedding at all. You can definitely see your webs to, you know, help with managing the shedding. But if the hair hasn't been shedding on me, like I can run my fingers through it for the most part and it's fine. Like I said, when I combed it, I got a little bit of hair, but that was really it. I can actually blend this hair with my natural hair, which is really nice because I know sometimes like a lot of curly hair you can't blend with like 4C natural hair, but this hair actually works pretty well. I'm trying a lot of curly hair, as you guys know, over the last couple of weeks, and I've been liking all of the curly hair, but I think I like the Malaysian texture. It's just like, I don't know, it holds a curl a lot better. Like the curls, even after I like frayed it out with my paddle brush, like you guys know I do that to get the volume, it's still like, it's really curly and it's not super frizzy. I am really loving it. The quality of the hair is really nice. Like I really don't have any complaints about it. I've noticed that these AliExpress companies are stepping up their game. They're not playing. So shout out to Ali Sugar. You guys know I do not review hair that I do not like. I'm not sure how this hair will take to heat. I have not tried heat on this hair. Yeah, usually I do know some AliExpress companies, it's kind of iffy when you bleach the hair, but I'm not sure about this company. I have not bleached the hair or anything. I'm just wearing it in its natural texture and it's doing it for me. If you guys want me to maybe bleach this hair and see what will happen to it, just let me know in the comments and we can see if we can work something out. Go ahead and jump right into it. So I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial and let's get into it. Alright, so this is what their packaging looks like. It's really nice. It comes in a really sleek box where you can store your hair once you're done using it. So this is how everything came packaged. It came packaged really nicely and it has a label letting you know what you received. So here is the lace closure. As you guys can see, it looks really nice and intact. The lace is super soft right out of the packaging, so I really like that. And this is what the bundles look like. And as you guys can see, the bundles match the closure really well. The bundle is super full, and it also has a tag on there explaining to you what you received as well. And so I went ahead and co-washed the bundles, and this is what they look like wet. As you guys can see, they're still super curly. They were really easy to co-wash, and the hair was super soft straight out of the packaging, and even after I co-washed it. So now onto my hair. I'm just going to apply some of this As I Am leave-in conditioner just to moisturize my hair a bit and to coat my hair before I use the gel. And this is the gel that I'll be using, the Pro Style, the brown gel. It looks like this. This gel is super good for hold if you need it to last for a while. And as you guys can see, I combed my edges down this time, and then I'm just applying the gel around the perimeter of my hair. And you guys will see later on why I combed my edges out. Yeah, I didn't want to slick them down initially. And then I'm moving fast. Of course I did speed this up, but I'm moving fast because my hair shrinks down if I don't move fast when using gel and putting it into a ponytail. But I am using a generous amount of gel. And once I get my hair into a ponytail, wherever I see some frizzy parts, I'm just going to apply a little bit more gel and like smooth it up with my hands, as you guys see me doing here. And then once I'm done doing this, I'm just going to take my scarf and I'm going to wrap it around my hair. I get a lot of questions about this scarf, and I got it from Family Dollars. So check your local Family Dollars because I just seen them there, so they do still carry them. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to sleep. So it is the next day, and as you guys can see, my hair is super sleek and slick, how I like it. So as you guys can see, I had combed down my baby hairs. These are the ones that I did not slick down because I just wanted to go back and do them separately. That way they'll be nice and smooth and slick. I don't know, this is just my new method of doing it, and it's been working great. So that's basically what I'm doing here. This is optional. You do not have to lay down your edges, but I just like to. And I am using the gel that I use on my whole head to do so. Put my scarf in half, and I'm just going to wrap it around my edges because I want them to lay down while I work on my ponytail. So that's just what I'm doing. So I'm going to grab the hair, and I'm going to start at the very end of the first bundle, and I'm just going to pin it in place using a bobby pin. Now don't judge me because it was hard doing this sitting down. That's why I'm looking like this. But I'm just basically wrapping it around my actual ponytail, and I'm just going around and around. I kind of did bring it up to the top of the ponytail at one point and then brought it back down just to kind of stack it up a bit, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. You just continue to wrap it around until you get to the end. And I'm not applying any bobby pins as I go. I'm just literally wrapping it because it will stay in place. And then once I get to the end, I'm just going to go ahead and secure the end with a bobby pin. Now it is up to you how much hair you want to add or how much hair you don't want to add. So I just went ahead and decided to add another bundle. So I'm just going to put my hair that I already added into a ponytail to get it out of the way. And then I'm going to start on the next bundle. But before that, I did add a few bobby pins just to secure it. And then yeah, so now I'm adding the next bundle. And you guys know I didn't use the whole bundle. I used about half of it. And I'm literally repeating the same step. So I got it to my desired fullness. I'm just gonna wrap that piece around and then pin it into place. What you want to do to just make sure that your track isn't showing, just grab a large section out of the ponytail, not too large, but enough to wrap around the perimeter of the ponytail. So just wrap it around like I'm doing here, and then you'll just take a few bobby pins and pin it into place, and it should stay. I didn't apply any product onto it or anything like that, and it stayed in place. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to use my petal brush and fluff out my ponytail a bit to give it some more volume how I like it. This is what the ponytail looks like from all angles once you're all finished. It's super cute and sleek and fluffy and big and curly. I really like it. This style should last you up to a week if you just tie it up at night, and you'll be good to go. You might have to refresh your ponytail, but that's about it. Be sure to check out LASugarHair.com. Everything about them will be linked in the description box below, all their social media and the store links. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.